Hello everyone, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Welcome back to Speak English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is fantastic to be here with you today.
It really is, Ben. How are you doing today? You look very happy and energetic.
I am feeling great, thank you. The sun is shining. Well, it is a bit chilly outside, but I have my coffee and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. I am feeling good too. I woke up early and had a nice quiet cup of coffee. It was a good start to the day.
It really was. Now, before we get into our big topic, we have a small favor to ask our friends at home.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us, please click the subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps our community grow so much.
And please share this with your friends and family. Learning together is always more fun.
Okay, Ben, today we are talking about a very special real-life topic. We are talking about Christmas.
Oh, I love this topic. It's a wonderful way to practice speaking about traditions and family.
Exactly. We will talk about Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Every family has a different routine, right?
Yes, a routine is a plan, the things we do every year. For many, it starts with the hustle and bustle of preparing the house.
Let's start with Christmas Eve on December 24th. Ben, what is the first thing you do?
Well, first we have to tidy up the living room. Toys are everywhere. Then we decorate the tree with lights and ornaments.
That sounds lovely. My family has a tradition too. We leave a small treat, cookies and milk for Santa.
My children get so excited, it's hard to get them to get into bed because they want to stay awake and see him.
It's a very happy, energetic feeling. You feel like you can't wait for the morning.
Then comes the morning rush. I do not need an alarm clock on Christmas Day. My kids wake me up at 6 a.m.
Oh, that is early. The first thing everyone does is open gifts or open presents. It is a happy surprise.
I love seeing the wide eyes and the smiles. We say, "Thank you so much." That is very kind.
Is perfect. It is a great time to use the present perfect. We ask, have you opened your gifts yet?
I have already opened mine, or I haven't opened the big one yet. It's so useful for checking your list.
After the gifts, it is time for the family gathering. We sit at the table and have a big Christmas lunch or dinner.
My family usually has roasted chicken or turkey with lots of vegetables like carrots and broccoli. It is delicious.
Yummy. We always have a balanced meal, but we save room for a treat like a small piece of chocolate cake.
Cheese makes everything better, but cake is good too. We talk, we laugh, and we share stories about our week.
That is the best part. Connecting with people makes the world feel lighter and happier.
Wow, Sharon, we have talked about so many useful things today. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Good idea. Our bricks for today are tradition, routine, opening gifts, and family gathering.
Don't forget the polite phrases, "I would like," "Thank you so much," and "Merry Christmas."
Perfect. Remember, confidence is more important than perfection. Just try to use these words.
Exactly. Now, we have a question for you in the comments section. We want to hear from you.
Yes, please tell us, what is your favorite Christmas tradition? Or what is a special holiday in your country?
We love reading your stories in English. It is great practice for you.
And this sounds amazing. What if we take our listeners on a little field trip to see Christmas in the city?
Great idea! Let's go together and explore some Christmas decorations outside.
Let's go!
Look at all these beautiful Christmas lights. At Christmas, many people decorate their houses and streets with lights.
Sometimes people go caroling. That means they sing Christmas songs from house to house.
Wow, this is like a Christmas market. People come here to buy small gifts and enjoy the holiday atmosphere.
Families like to browse the stalls and pick out small presents or decorations.
It is a bit cold out here. Many people drink hot chocolate to warm up after walking outside.
This was beautiful, but now, let's go back home and see what happens on Christmas Day in the living room.
Now we are in the living room on Christmas morning. Many families hang stockings by the fireplace.
Parents sometimes stuff the stockings with small surprises like candy, socks, or a little toy.
After the excitement, it is nice to sit quietly and appreciate the moment with your family.
In my family, we like to play board games after lunch. It is a fun way to spend time together.
We always take turns. That means everyone waits and lets each person play one by one.
At the end of the day, we feel very grateful for our family, our friends, and our time together.
So remember, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day are about traditions, family, and kindness.
We wish you a peaceful, joyful holiday. Merry Christmas, everyone.
I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Enjoy your Christmas holiday. Until next time on Speak English Daily.